Welcome to Star Island, Miami, Florida's ultimate playground for the rich and fabulous. Surrounded by the shimmering waters of Biscayne Bay, this exclusive enclave is home to the creme de la creme of celebrities and business moguls. From rappers like P. Diddy and A-list entertainers and CEOs and hedge fund managers, Star Island is a place where the rich and famous call home. The price tags on houses in this exclusive community soar higher than the Miami heat, making this the most expensive neighborhood in the United States. We recently took a boat ride around Star Island and caught a glimpse of this ultra-exclusive world where luxury knows no limits and the view is priceless. First up is Puerto Rican sensation Ricky Martin's tropical retreat. It's the 3-story White House with a dome on the rooftop, covering a rooftop jacuzzi. What a great place to relax after a world tour. Can you imagine the parties that go down there? Ricky Martin is living La Vida Loca on Star Island. Next up is the home of Mike Krieger, the founder of Instagram. Behind the big white boat in the water, that's his 2-story house with the long windows and a jacuzzi on the roof. Mike Krieger sold Instagram to Facebook for $1 billion when he was only 26 years old. Today he's 38. And for the time being, this is the biggest house on Star Island. It's owned by Dr. Philip Frost, a billionaire entrepreneur who made a fortune in various pharmaceutical companies he founded. This one is over 28,000 square feet and it cost $58 million to build. The reason it's the biggest house on Star Island for now is because someone is building an even larger one around the corner. Still under construction, this house will be bigger than Dr. Frost's. This one will be the biggest on the island and the most expensive. This is an $80 million house. The owner's name is Robert Piera. He owns Ubiquity Networks, a global communications company. He also owns a basketball team, the Memphis Grizzlies. Other famous residents of Star Island include Gloria and Emilio Estefan, Jennifer Lopez, and Ken Griffin, a hedge fund billionaire who has been acquiring continuous lots on Star Island since 2020. Rapper Rick Ross also bought a $35 million mansion on Star Island in 2023, making him one of the newest billionaire residents. Sean P. Diddy Combs recently stirred up controversy on the island due to his home getting raided by the feds for an investigation involving trafficking.